Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a fun and creative GIF to your Facebook story using your Android device. Adding GIFs can bring your story to life, whether you're celebrating, sharing a funny moment, or just expressing your mood. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Step 2. Once you're in the app, look at the top left of the screen and tap on Create Story. This will allow you to begin creating a new story to share with your friends. Step 3. Now, select the photo or video you'd like to add to your story. You can choose any image from your gallery or take a new photo right then and there. Step 4. After selecting your photo, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the sticker icon. This will open up a menu with different options to customize your story. Step 5. In the sticker menu, you'll see a GIF icon. Tap on it to open a search bar where you can find a wide variety of GIFs to choose from. Step 6. Now search for the GIF you want to add to your story. You can type in keywords to find the perfect one. Once you find the GIF you like, simply tap on it. Then, hit Share to post your story. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Facebook story. This is a great way to make your posts more dynamic and fun. Try experimenting with different GIFs to see how you can express yourself creatively. Thanks for watching.